Next on HBO. The following program is rated PG.
Jamaica in one sentence.
No other word.
Which is why we travel to Negril on the northeast zone of the island. And we are welcomed by Kool Runnings Water Park.
Kool Runnings Water Park is the greatest chill under the sun. I mean, once you come to Negril, it's a must-do. Once you come to Jamaica, you have to come and visit the water park. It's definitely worth seeing. It's the only water park of its kind in the Eastern Caribbean. We have 10 amazing slides. It's a place to get away with your friends, your family, for kids, adults, everybody. There's something for everyone. It's a truly Jamaican attraction. We try to make sure we showcase the best of Jamaica in terms of our food, our staff.